science classroom. Our little playful scientist waddles inside with a big smile, his oversized coat flapping and glasses sliding down. He looks around, fascinated by the colorful diagrams on the blackboard, the tiny gadgets humming on each desk, and the bubbling bottles glowing like rainbows. He bends closer to a glowing flask and whispers, what happens if I try this? Oh! He carefully picks up a small flask and stirs it gently, eyes sparkling with curiosity. He watches as the liquid swirls, fascinated by the changing colors and little bubbles rising. He taps a gadget nearby, causing it to spin and beep, making him giggle and wobble slightly as a pencil floats past his head. Suddenly, a small pop sounds. Bright sparkles float into the air. Books flap like wings, pencils twirl in circles, and small bottles spin above his head. He laughs and shouts, running around to catch a floating flask, hopping and dodging objects, tail swinging in excitement. He pauses, tilts his head, and imagines all the fun experiments he can try next. He leans closer to the flask, sniffing it curiously and murmuring, I hope this works. Then with careful claws, he adds one final glowing drop. A rainbow explosion fills the room. Stars and glowing shapes swirl and dance everywhere. He jumps with joy, claps, and spins around, tail curling, celebrating his successful experiment. Our playful little scientist enters the colorful classroom with a big smile. He stirs a bubbling flask, watching the liquid swirl with fascination. Suddenly, bright sparkles fill the air, books flap, and pencils twirl. He runs around laughing, chasing floating objects, clearly enjoying the experiment. Subscribe and join Zozo's magical adventures!